Hi, how you doing? Oh wow, talk about the winds of change. It's so blowy out here. Hey, sorry to interrupt your video. My name is Di and I help people start their own businesses online. Is that of interest? If it is, stick around. If not, then have a nice day. Feel free to skip. So, you want to start your own business online, but you don't have a clue how to go about it. I speak to so many people all the time from all over the world because of my unique system that I use, and that are always telling me that they want the winds of change to blow. Oh, it's mental. I don't even know if you can hear me. Well, look, you could start right here with us. We have a workshop that you can register for, and you can quickly learn your options and see if it's for you or not. And if it is, then fantastic. You know, it's that kind of time of year when the kids are going back to school and the tan is starting to fade, and many mums and dads are finding themselves with a few hours free and are looking for new opportunities. So maybe that's you. Maybe you've got a couple of hours available and you're just looking for a change. Could be. Well, look, everyone's working online these days, and you're probably seeing absolutely tons of adverts. But let me tell you, not all businesses are created equal.